Welcome to another lesson with English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at young learners and it is a story. The topic of the story is Luna's Adventure in the Enchanted Forest. If you are reading this story together with your young learner, I encourage you to pause the video regularly, pointing to different items in the picture and discussing the vocabulary while practicing the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Luna's Adventure in the Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a village near the forest, there lived a little girl named Luna. She loved exploring, and one sunny morning she decided to visit the enchanted forest. Everyone said the forest was magical, full of talking animals and sparkling trees. As Luna walked through the forest, she met a friendly rabbit named Benny. "Hello, Luna," said Benny, hopping up to her. "I've heard you are curious about the forest. Let me show you around." They strolled through the forest together, and Luna was amazed. The trees glowed with soft, twinkling lights, and flowers hummed gentle tunes. Benny introduced Luna to his friends, a wise owl named Olive and a playful squirrel named Nutty. As the sun began to set, Benny pointed out a special tree, its leaves shimmering in all the colors of the rainbow. "This is the wish tree," said Benny. "If you make a wish with a kind heart, it will come true." Luna closed her eyes and wished for the happiness of all her new friends in the enchanted forest. When she opened her eyes, the tree's lights glowed even brighter, and Luna felt a warm, joyful feeling in her heart. It was time to go, but Luna knew she would return to the enchanted forest soon. She waved goodbye to Benny, Olive, and Nutty, and then walked back to her village with a smile, carrying the magic of the forest in her heart. Well done, and thank you for reading our story. Please like and subscribe so that you may support our channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.